fish. Ask about taking an educational tour of our rainforest so you can learn fun and interesting facts. And if you watch the sky closely, you may even see a shooting star go by. Come join us, have fun, and learn all about my friends and home. Hello, kids. My name is Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals, from parrots to snakes, monkeys to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest. Hello, everybody. I'm Tracy Tree. Rainforests are home to people too. One of the best-known tribes in Africa is the pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet tall. They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and dried mushrooms. Hey, boys and girls. My name is Tracy Tree. Are you hungry? We have great food. Did you know that our rainforest has its very own sparkling volcano? It's so big, the whole family can share it. Yum, yum. Hello, I'm Tracy Tree. Here are some fun facts. Do these foods sound familiar? Pineapple, bananas, grapefruit, avocados, and coconuts all originally came from the tropical rainforests. Chicle, which is used to make chewing gum, as well as bamboo and balsa wood, all originally came from rainforests. Hello, kids. My name is Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals, from parrots to snakes, monkeys to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest. Hey, gang, I'm Tracy Tree. Check out the wild selection of toys, gifts, and souvenirs right here in the rainforest.